Look, Harry, a big trailer truck is coming. It's carrying heavy concrete blocks for the bridge.
Wow, those blocks are huge. Are they for the road?
Not yet, Harry. First, we need to build the strong base of the bridge.
Oh, what's that big yellow machine?
That's a mobile crane. It will lift the heavy parts and place them in the right spot by the river.
Like a giant hand, right?
Exactly, Harry. First, the crane places two big bottom pillars into the river. These will hold up the bridge from below.
So the bridge doesn't fall down?
Yes, the pillars make the bridge strong and safe. Now the crane is putting in the middle pillars.
More pillars! Why do we need so many?
The more support we add, the stronger the bridge becomes. Look, Harry! The crane is lifting a big piece called a pier cap. It goes on top of the pillars.
Like a hat on the pillars?
Yes, a strong hat that connects everything together. Now the crane is lifting the road parts and placing them on top. This makes the flat surface of the bridge.
Yay, that's where cars can drive!
You got it, Harry! Almost done.
Wow, Jessica! From pillars to a real bridge, that's amazing!
Yes, Harry. Now people can cross the river easily. The bridge is ready. Look at the vehicles driving safely across.